Hello, and there's many things we got to talk about today. First of all, Ethereum is going to blow up, and the recent pullback has been a gift to all of you, and you can pile in on some Ethereum right now, especially the L2s at this point, because I think some of those are still very, very low off the Bitcoin dip. Well, we know that Ethereum has completely pwned the SEC. What I mean by pwned the SEC is like the SEC has dropped all its cases against consensus. There will be no more case against consensus. Ethereum is not a security, and that's going to lead to some very, very good things for Ethereum. No more regulatory shenanigans. And in fact, the SEC enforcement decision was so depressed that its head said, "See you later, we're not doing this anymore," and left the building. That's how bad it was for the SEC. And obviously, what's bad for the SEC, good for us. Definitely good for us. So I am very, very pleased with the situation at hand right now. So that's the situation we kind of have at this point. And, probably can't really think of anything better than the SEC basically rolling up and leaving, because we like that. We wanted the SEC to leave for a very, very long time, and the SEC has finally left and left us alone. Very, very good news, and you should be excited about this news. So the SEC has left the building, and they will no longer harass Ethereum. It has absolute clarity, more than any other coin at this point. And that was basically foretold when the ETF was allowed, because that basically classifies it as a commodity. In other news, Bitcoin whales have been selling, and they've been selling a lot of Bitcoin. That's right, $1 billion, over $1 billion of the past 2 weeks. Why have they been selling? I'm not really sure, but that's what's causing it to go down. They have been using brokers, and it does coincide with the ETF selling, but the whales aren't really the ETF people. They've been just taking profits. Miners are joining in on the selling as well, because some of them are actually moving into the AI sector because it's more lucrative than Bitcoin mining right now. So that accounts for some increased selling activity, and that's why we've actually been down. It's not only ETFs, but the long-term sellers and some of the miners are exiting the market, and they are moving to greener pastures such as AI. I don't actually think that's a correct decision, because they're looking at diminishing returns, but I bet those returns will go up. I'm almost sure the returns will actually go up once the price of Bitcoin starts to go up. Don't want to sell out right now, because I think in a few months we'll be at 80, 90K, and those profits are definitely going to go up. But then again, the hash rate will actually go up, so I'm not really sure. Obviously, the ETF has net outflows as well. I think some of the big guys like BlackRock are catching in on the trend and pushing the price lower so it can buy in at lower prices. And obviously, the negative sentiment has affected the entire market. So the entire market is a little bearish right now. I do believe that will reverse, but it does look like we'll be trading in this range or going back and forth for the rest of the summer. So I wouldn't quite hold your breath yet. But I don't think it's too much to worry about. Kraken has actually gotten a hacker exploit of $3 million. Not much for Kraken, but now they are threatening their team. The security firm said it was transferring the digital assets obtained in the exploit of Kraken back to the exchange, but many crypto users questioned its motives. Blockchain security firm CertiK has gone public, identifying itself as a security researcher that the cryptocurrency exchange claim stole $3 million worth of digital assets. So Kraken is basically threatening CertiK, which is basically the security firm researcher. CertiK has said it informed Kraken on an exploit that allowed it to remove millions of dollars from the exchange's accounts. Kraken Chief Security Officer Nicholas Parocco claimed that an unnamed security team, not revealed to be CertiK at the time, has committed extortion. So this is a big, big claim. After initial conversations on identifying and fixing the vulnerability, Kraken's security operation team has threatened individual CertiK employees to repay a mismatch amount of crypto in an unreasonable time without providing repayment addresses. So this looks to be like a big catfight between two big crypto companies. Not good for the industry, but definitely a lot of drama. This did not need to become public. She said the argument, it looks both on bad actors. Knowing both SturdyK and Kraken's history, I am inclined to support Kraken FX here. This looks like an extortion. So basically, like, there are some people supporting both sides, but this is a big, big claim. No doubt, my friends, no doubt. And the German government might actually be dumping Bitcoin. That's like it's a very, very interesting take, in my opinion. I don't really know. Maybe the German government is really hard out for money at this point. So that's why they're actually dumping Bitcoin. Seems a little bit weird. I know, like, they're having issues. Where they're really having issues with funding and stuff. So the German government labeled wallet held 50,000 BTC since February and moved about 6,500 BTC on June 19th. A crypto wallet labeled German government BKA by the crypto on-chain analytics firm Arkham started moving Bitcoin on June 19th, sparking curiosity among the community. The wallet movements have led many to believe the German government is selling its BTC holdings. Obviously, selling 50,000 more BTC will impact the price of the market a little bit. And if it's a government sale, maybe Germany's becoming more hostile towards crypto. I definitely hope not. 6,500 obviously is only like 13% of their Bitcoin, but hopefully this does not spark another panic. So, like, there have been governments around the globe selling like C's BTC, Silk Road, for instance. But if Germany joins in, we might feel more downward pressure. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.